Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 28th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the pound yen, I still think the pound yen is so clear on the monthly time frame, and when you find something so clear, you definitely want to apply it to the shorter time frames. I think this is very clearly an A, 3 waves down for a B, and I think this is a 1, 2, 3 of wave 3. Still no evidence that this wave 3 is over, and it very easily could continue up more before it even makes a wave 4 and a wave 5 of wave C. So taking a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, like I said, I think this is a 1, I think this is a 2, and I think this is all just subdivisions of a wave 3. I can see a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shape in there, but still no break of starts it down, still no lower highs, still no evidence that the wave 3 is over. The trend is our friend, and we're not looking to identify the end of a 4-year trend. Instead, we're just going to continue to look for longs, and if it keeps on going up, then that's fine by us, because we're going to continue to trade with the trend until the trend proves otherwise. Going down to the daily time frame, we are approaching the previous highs, but our next Fibonacci level is actually all the way up to the 202, 203 area. So I personally would still be very bullish. I would definitely still be looking for longs at the end of pullbacks, especially on the shorter time frames. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, this has been a very strong uptrend, and it really kind of looks like a 1, 2, 3. Kind of seems to me like we're still in a wave 3, and there's still no evidence that the wave 3 is over. If you get a nice significant break of structure to the downside, that would tell you the wave 3 is over, and that would tell you that you're in a wave 4 and probably up again for a wave 5. But based on the higher time frames, our next Fibonacci level is 202 or higher. So there's no evidence it's over. We should continue to look for longs. It's probably pretty likely that it will keep on making higher highs and higher lows. Heading down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame is till we see a break of structure down on at least a 4 hour time frame. I would be doing absolutely nothing but looking for longs on these shorter time frames. If you did nothing but look for longs over the past several weeks or several months even, you would be extremely profitable trader. So even if it does break down on this 1 hour time frame, that definitely doesn't mean anything to me. It's probably just another crescent to the uptrend. So I personally would continue to look for longs at the end of every single pullback I see for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my membership, which is actually at fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.